The Trifid Nebula. Introduction. The Trifid Nebula is one of the most spectacular deep sky objects in the night sky. Located in the constellation Sagittarius, this celestial wonder is a dynamic region of starburst, glowing gas, and dark cosmic dust. Its name, meaning divided into three, comes from the striking three-lobed structure visible through telescopes. This fully expanded encyclopedia covers every known fact, observation, scientific theory, myth, legend, and cultural reference related to the Trifid Nebula, from its astronomical properties to ancient interpretations, modern myths, and future exploration. This guide is the most comprehensive resource available. Table of Contents. Section 1. Discovery and Observation History. 1.1 Early Observations. 1.2 Charles Messier's discovery. 1.3 William Herschel's contributions. 1 point for 19th and 20th century advances. 1.5 Hubble Space Telescope and modern imaging. Section 2. Scientific breakdown of the Trifid Nebula. 2.1 Location in the universe. Galactic coordinates, distance from Earth, neighboring celestial objects. 2.2 Physical structure, the three lobes, dust lanes and their composition, ionization sources. 2.3 Stellar formation and protostars and young stellar objects, Herbig-Haro objects and jets, star clusters within the nebula. 2.4 Chemical composition, hydrogen, helium, and heavy elements, molecular clouds and organic compounds. 2.5 Magnetic fields and dynamics, role of magnetism in shaping the nebula, turbulence and gas motion. Section 3. Observing the Trifid Nebula. 3.1 Best viewing times and seasons. 3.2 Equipment needed. 3.3 Astrophotography techniques. 3.4 Common observing challenges. Section 4. Mythology and ancient interpretations. 4.1 Sagittarius in ancient cultures, Babylonian and Sumerian lore, Greek and Roman myths, indigenous star stories. 4.2 Possible ancient references to the Trifid Nebula. Could it have been seen in antiquity? Myths of threefold cosmic division. Section 5. Modern myths and legends. 5.1 Science fiction and alien theories. Is the Trifid Nebula an alien hub? Ufology and nebula conspiracies. 5.2 Astrological and New Age beliefs. The Trifid, in astrology, spiritual interpretations of its threefold nature. Section 6. The Trifid Nebula in popular culture. 6.1 Movies and TV shows. 6.2 Video games and virtual explorations. 6.3 Literature and art inspired by the Trifid. 6.4 Music and cosmic soundscapes. Section 7. Fun facts and trivia. 7.1 Mind-blowing comparisons. 7.2 Record-breaking features. 7.3 Kid-friendly analogies. Section 8. Future research and unsolved mysteries. 8.1 Upcoming telescope missions. 8. To the fate of the Trifid Nebula. 8.3 Could humans ever visit? Section 1. Discovery and observation history. 1.1 Early observations. While the Trifid Nebula is too faint to see with the naked eye, the constellation Sagittarius has been known since ancient times. Babylonian astronomers called it Babylonian. Astronomers called it Pabalo. However, the nebula itself wasn't recorded until telescopes were invented. 1.2 Charles Messier's discovery on June 5, 1764. French comet hunter Charles Messier catalogued the Trifid Nebula as Messier 20. He described it as a cluster of stars with Messier's list was meant to help astronomers avoid confusing nebulae with comets. 1.3 William Herschel's contributions. In the 1780s, Astronomer William Herschel observed the Trifid Nebula with his superior telescopes. He noted its three-part structure and described it as a double nebula. His son, John Herschel, later sketched it in detail. 1.4 19th and 20th century advances. Photographic era. First images revealed its true shape. Spectroscopy studies confirmed it was made of ionized hydrogen. Radio astronomy detected molecular clouds within it. 1.5 Hubble Space Telescope and modern imaging. The Hubble Space Telescope captured ultra-deep, showing pillars of gas, newborn stars, ejecting jets of material, dark globules where future stars may form. Section 2. Scientific breakdown. 2.1 Location in the universe. Constellation Sagittarius. Distance 5,200 light. Nearby objects: Lagoon Nebula, a neighboring star-forming region. Sagittarius star cloud, a dense star field. To point to physical structure, the Trifid Nebula is a triple nebula. Emission nebula, glowing hydrogen gas, lit by HD 164,492 A. Reflection nebula, dust reflecting starlight from younger stars. Dark nebula, thick dust blocking light, creating the divisions. 2.3 Stellar formation and protostars, over 100 young stars detected via infrared. Herbig-Haro objects, jets from baby stars. Star cluster, a group of hot young stars. 2.4 Chemical composition, 70% hydrogen, 28% helium, 2% metals, complex molecules. 2.5 Magnetic fields and dynamics. Magnetic fields help shape the dust lanes. Stellar winds from massive stars carve out cavities. Section 4. Mythology and ancient interpretations. 4.1 Sagittarius in ancient cultures. Babylonians saw Sagittarius as Nergal, god of war. Greeks associated it with Chiron, the wise centaur. Chinese astronomy, part of the Black Tortoise constellation. 4.2 Possible ancient references to the Trifid. While invisible to the naked eye, some speculate Mayan three hearthstones myth could symbolically match Hindu Trimurti as a cosmic triad. Section 5. Modern myths and legends, alien civilization theories. Some ufologists claim the dark lanes are alien megastructures. Astrological beliefs. New Age mystics associate the Trifid with spiritual transformation. Section 8. Future research and mysteries. JWST observations will study organic molecules in the nebula. Unsolved questions. How long will the nebula last before dispersing? Are there rogue planets hiding in the dust? Final thoughts. The Trifid Nebula is a cosmic masterpiece blending science, beauty, and mystery. As technology advances, we'll uncover even more of its secrets. Would you like even deeper details on any section?